Happy New Year, guys! Welcome 2025! So, the year of the snake. Tayo ngayon. Baka gusto mo magkaroon ng sariling bahay. This is the latest update of the Grand Sycamore Heights located in Barangay Bulak, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Guys, dito sa Grand Sycamore, merong school, private school. We have the multi-purpose hall. We have the basketball court. And we have a playground. Hindi lang isa, kundi 5. Hindi rin lang 5, kundi 6 pa ang ating multi-purpose hall. So guys, this subdivision consists of 14.5 hectares. Meron tayong soon to rise na commercial area. Pero our residential area is mga nakatayo na, guys. That is our BQ1. And this is our BQ2. So, si BQ2, guys, ay may mataas lang na selling. But, si BQ1 ay low selling lang po. Pero, same lang ang kanilang sukat or yung kanyang floor area sa loob. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Only 5,000 reservation, you can have your own investment or your own house as well. This is me, Cherry Olaviaga Scarpe, at your service. Thank you po.